In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a support ticket system in ClickUp. We'll set up a clean, ready-to-use workflow using a built-in template, so your team can capture requests, triage them quickly, and track progress through to resolution. To follow along, make sure you're signed into your ClickUp workspace and have permission to add items in the space where you want this system to live. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and choose the space where you want your support tickets to be managed. A space is the best home for a shared process like this because it keeps tasks, views, and permissions organized in one place. If you're testing, consider using a sandbox space first, then repeat these steps in your production space later. Inside your chosen space, find the plus icon. Depending on your layout, you'll see it near the top of the sidebar or within the space header. This is your starting point for creating new items and pulling in templates, which saves you a lot of setup time. From the options that appear, open the Templates area. This takes you to ClickUp's template library, which includes pre-built configurations for common use cases. In the search bar, type Help Desk. You'll see several results designed for support workflows. Select the Help Desk ticket template. Before applying it, take a moment to preview what it includes. Templates like this typically come with statuses for the ticket lifecycle, custom fields for details like priority or requester information, and views that make triage and tracking easier. This gives you a solid foundation without starting from scratch. Click Use Template to begin applying it to your space. You'll be prompted to enter a name. Choose something clear and consistent like Support Tickets or IT Help Desk so teammates can recognize it at a glance. Good naming helps with search, reporting, and onboarding new users. Confirm by clicking Use Template again and wait while ClickUp builds everything. This may take a moment as views, custom fields, and sample configurations are created. When it's done, you'll see your new ticket list or folder inside the space, complete with statuses and views ready to go. From here, you can start capturing requests immediately. Consider standardizing how your team fills in fields like priority and category, and share the location of this ticket list with stakeholders so they know where to submit and track work. Later, you can customize fields, add automations, or connect a form for intake, but the template you just applied gives you a functional support ticket system right away.